Morning, you guys. I was like very neglectful. Okay, okay, I'll speak like a sociopath. No emotions in my face like a robot. Okay. I was very neglectful to you guys this last week. But I did go through a lot of pain. And that was a glitch. You should not be watching those. It was a glitch. But anyway, I've noticed that why I am feeling so sick is because, like, this thing has no letters on it. I actually just burned a dot in there. That was in the beginning when I first started with the methadone. I used 10 years, and the doctor is like, how can I say it? How can I put it? They put you on 30 mils morning and night, but this was actually the amount I took from the beginning, 7 mils. And now I'm on this little bit. You see, all of those are scaled down. But it's best to tell the doctor that you're on 30 mil so that he can prescribe you 2 bottles so that you don't have to go and pay 500 rand for the prescription when the bottle is finished. I don't know why they don't want to do it like that. Because I want to make money out of you. But some doctors are nice, they do it. So I recently left this one. I said, no, we're done. I don't want to be with you anymore. And then I got a new one. Oh, it's a mini me. You can't even see it. Gosh, I have to take out everything to get to it. Mini me. And it's exactly 3 mil. So I don't get confused. It's those little ones, those guys that does the sports used to inject them in the palm with Voltaren when they got hurt or something like that. Yes, it's one of those. They put the fat needle on top of there and then they go Voltaren you in the palm. Athletics use it. But anyway, yeah. That is how much I take. So I've noticed I've been taking 2 mil the whole time where I actually was supposed to take 3. And that's why I was still withdrawing so badly. But this is the difference between the two. One is fat and the other one is bigger than the other. You know what I mean. You can see the difference. Oh man. You can. You guys are dirty, sis. And anyway, this is my cup of coffee now. It's like, it's a Hans. Hy vat die kans nie. Kyk al. Dis 'n Hansie, hy vat die kanse nie. Just enjoy your day, guys, and if it's not there by you, sleep tight and don't let the cravings bite.